你好. And the number 4 movements play the zither. And this movement play the zither. Zither is one of those music instrument in Chinese instrument. And it's long and flat, and you just play that zither. Okay, so, and this one movement, the purpose doing that is massaging your inside the organs of abdominal inside your belly. Okay, so how do we do it? And the connection is the pubic bone and the tailbone. Also the navels. By moving your tailbone back and forth. So that is the starting massaging, moving inside the organs. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. The move, tilt your tailbone forward and backwards. So by doing this, and the connecting point is the hands. How do you connect to your body? When the hands gonna be again spread open and close, spread open and close. When you do that, when you close, try to point it inside. Open and close. By pointing inside, point it to your navels and right here in the center, and try to push your elbow out. Then you can point it all in right there. When you spread open, so once you tilt move forward, the tailbone move forward, and the pinkies will connect to your tailbone. So when you open up, go to the back, point it to your tailbone. And you forward the fingers together and push your elbow out. You point it into your navel. So the body bend forward, and with your knees bent right there, that is the close. When you spread open, spread open your fingers and bend your back, bend your head back. And point it to your navels. See, that's the connection. Open and close. Open and close. So by doing this, you are massaging inside the organs right there. Okay? So that is the move. And the stance, again, and you just Little bit wider, about your shoulder wide, shoulder width, and more, little bit wider where you feel comfortable, okay? So starting in, point it in, and point it out. And the breathings, when you point it to the tailbone, spread open, that is inhale. When you point it to your navels, that's exhale. Try to push all the air out. Breathe in and breathe out. So as you see, I bend the knees and suck my belly in, bend your back. So that's it. Get the maximum out of the move. Mm-hmm. When you get to the point that you freely do the exercises, just swing the hands back and forth and push your tailbone back and forth. Mostly is suck it in and straight out. Okay, that is the move for the play Zither. Okay, 谢谢。